Malik Neighbors feared lost for season with ACL injury and major Giants buzzkill. Heart goes out. No banner-bearing planes flew over MetLife Stadium, but a dark cloud still hung over the aftermath of a victory. Superstar receiver Malik Neighbors is feared to have suffered a season-ending torn ACL in his right knee, the major asterisk Sunday souring one of the best performances by the Giants of the past 3 seasons in a 21-18 upset win against the Chargers. Unfortunately, this is a business of injury, head coach Brian Daboll said. I feel terrible for Malik's injury. We'll see where it's at. He's an important piece to our team, but it's next man up. A jovial post-game locker room's only moments of cold water came at the mention of Neighbors' name. Giants wide receiver Malik Neighbors is transported off the field on a cart after an injury. Giants wide receiver Malik Neighbors leaves the game on a cart after he was injured during the second quarter of the Giants and Los Angeles Chargers game in East Rutherford, New Jersey. Bill Kostron, New York Post. Explore more. An image collage containing 2 images.